All right, here we are in Fowlerville at one of the many fields of the sporting events near the high school here, and we're going to be flying the Dave C 4-inch micro long range. His original files off Thingiverse, cut from CNC Madness and delivered to yours truly. I'll put up a list of all the stuff. My goggles of choice are the Sky Zone 030s with the Mod Bay and TBS Fusion. I run a True RC long and the Vass Crosshair Extreme, and of course the Tango 2. Beautiful calm evening, clear skies, just gorgeous. If I could get all my stuff together, we might be able to fly something before the sun sets on us all. Might be a little dramatic, but oh yeah, flying fantastic. So smooth, just like the butter. Oh yeah, there's the sunset. Ain't she gorgeous? Now I've had this 4-inch Dave C micro long range frame in 95% of the parts sitting around long before the Flywoo Explorer was ever released. And just last month I finally put it together for the first time. It's just flying so smooth. We'll see what the HD looks like, but I'm telling you, I bet you she's gonna be just dandy. %, throttle. Little signal break up there because I was flying behind me and above some massive trees. You got mail. You got mail. hear some sort of critters in the woods behind me. Wonder if I should be alarmed. Prospect now. She still got the power. Put down some moves. Of course, this is the micro long range 4-inch from Dave C himself off his Thingiverse page, the one that started it all. And it can flip and twist and bip and bop. Have a good time doing it. Only a 4S 650. We're pushing 7 minutes here. Just milking out that last 0.04. See if we can bring him in for a nice landing, huh? There we go, not too shabby. With a 7 minute and 41 second flight. I absolutely love this little thing. I love the long range, I love the cruiser, I love long flight times. And I love exploring and getting some HD footage back. Now I'll throw up some weight of this with this battery on there, and you see I do have a naked GoPro or Insta360 mount on the top, and I did make a naked Hero 4 silver, and I have my Hero 4 black. I've flown with both of them on there, and it does fly with a full-size GoPro Hero 4. Let's keep ripping, because I'm all ready. So let's rip a little more. I'm gonna fly right up into my face. All right, second battery. Let's kick it up a notch. see what's over here. Turn the wrong way. School buses. I hear a motorcycle. Yeah, let's not go too far in here. I don't think I'll be able to get it out. Let's come down here and see which way I'm facing. Fly around the ball fields here a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna touch the ground there, eh? Alright, alright. Just a great cruiser. We've got a low camera angle right now, so it's kind of difficult to really make any real fast movements here. Oh, may have broke something. Doesn't want to take off. Hopefully it's just a propeller. Let's go find out how bad that damage was. Hopefully it's not too bad. Great. They got this little gap. That doesn't look bad. Maybe I just didn't want to take off because of grass. All right, I think it's gonna wrap it up for me today. Put a couple packs through it, put it through a little beating. She's still in one piece, and I am stoked about that. I love the long range cruisers, and this little 4-inch on a 4S rips for a cruiser. If you want the original Dave C FPV micro long range, you can find it on his Thingiverse page, and I had mine cut by CNC Madness long before the Explorer craze came out. So this is like the OG, the one that started it all, and it's fantastic. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.